Cybertruck attempts an off-roading articulation test, and the results aren't great. The higher the driver makes it up on the ramp on one wheel, the better. The driver takes a cautious start because the Cybertruck does not have good visibility, so that makes sense. But he is going very slow, and that's about as far as he can make it. That right there is as high as the Cybertruck can go in the articulation test. That is abysmal, and from here he spins wheel one more time and then gives up. Articulation is one of the most important thing when it comes to off-roading alongside traction control and tires. The Cybertruck's articulation is worse and its traction control is much worse, and it weighs 6,000 pounds. A good recipe for off-roading disaster. This is the reason Tesla marketed the truck as packing for weekend road trips, outdoor adventures, etc.